Legarow mix. So today we will prepare pandesal. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below and hit notification bell, and you will be notified every time I post the vlog. So let's start with the proper preparation. So I have here 400 grams of all-purpose flour. So let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons powdered milk. So and then let's mix the wire whisk so that it will be incorporated all the dry ingredients. So after we mix up all dried ingredients, let's start with the liquid or wet ingredients. So I have here 50 ml water, so a little bit hot. So if you put in microwave at least 10 seconds. So after that, we put the active yeast, 7 grams. So if you have instant yeast, you can mix directly to the flour. So let's put or mix to the warm water so that it will be activate or awake. And then let's put 1 teaspoon of sugar. And let's leave until it rise or it become active. So let's mix it. And let's leave at least 10 minutes or more once it is activate, so we can drop it now in a flour. And then 200 ml liquid milk or whole milk or fresh milk. So let's combine 50 grams of brown sugar, 1 piece of egg, and then 50 grams of melted margarine. Now we can mix with wire whisk and make sure the liquid ingredient should be incorporated very well, and the sugar should be melted well also, so that the result of your product is a perfect and delicious. So after we mix the liquid ingredients very well, we can pour it out in the flour. Make sure the sugar will be melted very well. Use the spatula to clean up. And then we combine. All the ingredients will be written down at the bottom of the video. So if you didn't cut up very well, you can check it out on the video. And now we can combine also the yeast. Now it is very active. We have to mix very well so that all the ingredients will be absorbed by the flour. Now we can start kneading. So if you do kneading, you have to sprinkle a small quantity of flour. Actually guys, in making dough, there is no exact amount of flour. That is the reality. Because if you do kneading and your dough is still sticky, whether you like it or not, you have to sprinkle a small quantity of flour. Okay. So is it true that you need to measure the flour? Because the ingredient depends the quantity or how much flour you will be using. That's why you need to measure. But when you do kneading like this, if it's still sticky, whether you like it or not, you have to sprinkle a small quantity of flour. That is the reality. Put a small quantity of oil before we leave in a bowl. So let's put the cover and let's wait 30 minutes to 1 hour. Let's wait to rise the dough. See you later after 1 hour. Now look at this. The dough become double. So let's remove. Let's press like this so that it will remove the air or the gas of the dough. Then we put some quantity of butter melted. We brush on top. Then we prepare the breadcrumb. Then we coat by this breadcrumb before we put in oven tin. So after we coat the breadcrumb, so this is how it look like. So let's put the cover and let's leave 30 minutes to 1 hour again. See you later. So okay guys, this is ready to put in oven. Oven should be preheated at 180 degrees Celsius and it will be cooked for 18 to 20 minutes. So now let's put in oven. So my pandesal is ready in different shape. So let's wait to cool down and let's have a taste. So it smells so good. Okay, now we're ready to transfer in a plate. So it smells so good. This is a different kind of pandesal. It is a different shape, but the ingredients is also a little bit different because this is my own ingredient. Look at this, it's good. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, click thumbs up and write down your comment. So till next time, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.